Hey guys, it's your girl Mr. Fluffy, back with another video, guys, back with another video. To this video, I'll be making fried chicken. Let me get this camera right. Fried chicken seasoned with Bloves Life. Bloves. Let me get the seasoning packet. Bloves Life seasoning mix. This is her sauce mix, but I'm gonna use it to season up the chicken. Okay, I'm gonna use it to season up the chicken, so y'all stay tuned to see that. Y'all don't know set. Y'all already know it's gonna be delicious. Anything I make is gonna be bomb. Okay, so y'all stay tuned for that. And if you're seeing this video before the mukbang, you need to go over there and check out that mukbang where I do a review on her sauce. Alright guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification so you can get every time your girl uploads a new video. If you're only returning back to my channel, you are awesome. And welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome to the fluffiness. Let me stop rambling, running my mouth. Let's get into the video. Okay. Let go. Bye. All right, guys. Alrighty. So, what you're gonna need is some chicken leg, some drumstick. You can use whatever part of the chicken you want, but I'm working with a drumstick today. And you're gonna need some of the Bloves Smackalicious sauce. Well, the mixture. And you're gonna need some Everglades seasoning. You can get this at Walmart. You're gonna need some salt as well. And I'm using canola oil. And you're gonna need some purpose. You need some all-purpose flour. This is the one I'm using. I got this one from Walmart as well. Guys, this is gonna be a pretty quick and simple recipe. So right here, my chicken's already clean. I took the skin off of it. You can leave the skin. Guys, don't mind that mark right here because I burnt my fingernail. Don't ask me how. I burnt my fingernails trying to light a candle. So right here, I got some chicken leg, and I put some salt on it, about 2 teaspoons of salt, marinated together, and I put in the fridge for 24 hours. I put in the fridge for overnight so all that salt could absorb up in my chicken, flavor it up. So I'm really just gonna use a little bit of the Smackalicious sauce and the Everglades, because all my flavor is coming from, I want all my flavor to come from my sauce that I made previously, my Smackalicious sauce. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this, just a little bit, and a little bit of my leftover Smackalicious sauce. Not too much, because remember I already put salt on the chicken. It's already pretty salty. And I'm gonna push this to the side and just do my flour right now. I'm basically gonna season my flour with the same seasoning. I'm using 1 cup. 1 cup of flour. And I'm gonna put some of my Everglades in there. I don't know if I should do a double dip. I think I might double dip it. I'm just gonna use water. You can double dip it. You could use egg. You can use buttermilk. Woo, that seasoning is strong. Woo. You can use buttermilk as well. So I'm just mix this around. Whew. Spice is life. Yo, this chicken gonna be very, very flavorful. I'm gonna dip it in some water, so I'm gonna get some water. Where is that thing? Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use 1 egg. Push this aside. I got 1 egg right there. And I'm gonna go in with some of my Coca-Cola drink that I have, and I added some water to it. So this is egg, Coca-Cola, the Sam's brand, and water. I'm also put a little flavor into this. Put some black pepper in there too. Just a little bit of black pepper. And this gonna be the liquid that I'm gonna work with. Alright, I think y'all can see that. I got my oil over there heating up. So in the meantime, while you're like preparing your flour and preparing your mix, have your oil on the stove getting ready. Alright. Right now my temp is on medium low, because I'm gonna cook this low and slow. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna start rubbing this together. Just get in there, get in there. Ooh, ooh, yes. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Be careful, don't let this thing flash everywhere, cause it's gonna be messy. Yo guys, this thing I go to you so good. Trust me when I tell you. Trust me. Let me zoom out so y'all can see. Alright. So I'm gonna dip it in. You see how big this thing is? Man, I like big chicken foot, you know. Chicken. I like big legs. So this is the leg. So I'm gonna just dip it in the flour. See, the way you use one hand for one thing and then, but not today. I'm just gonna use the same hand. And I'm gonna just toss this around. Then I'm gonna drop it into my mixture over here. Mix that around. Then I'm gonna go back and dip it again in my flour. So this is gonna give me a nice crispy chicken that we're looking for. Guys, I recommend this flour. Like, I always just use regular all-purpose flour, but I'm gonna try this one, and it's so good. So after I bread them, I'm gonna put them on this plate over there. Oh, yo, I can't wait. I can't wait to make sure you get all the flavor on them. Everything good, everything turned up. Oh my God, yes. Ooh. The reason why I didn't dip it in the egg mixture first and then dip it in the flour after, because there's already juice. There's already juice at the bottom of my bowl, so I already got something for the flour to stick on. So I didn't really need to dip it in this egg mixture first. That's why, okay guys? So I'm gonna bring this over here. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys, it's gonna be messy. Your kitchen gonna be messy. Unless you just get a bag and just dip everything in. Oh yeah. Oh, yo. Y'all, if y'all can feel this flour, it feels like a baby's butt. So soft. All right, so that's 2. So I'm gonna do these 3 right here. Oh man, can't wait to eat this with the sauce. Well, by the time y'all get this video, I already ate it in front of y'all. Okay, we ate it together, and y'all could go and make this recipe. And y'all already know, let me know, tag me, send me a picture on IG, send me a picture on Snapchat. Let me know if you recreate this or any other recipe that I made in the past. So make sure you always shake off your excess oil. Get it together. Shake off your excess flour. Okay, guys? Flour off your chicken, because you don't want all that flour to sink down, to drop down at the bottom of the pot and burn up. Okay? You don't want that. So make sure you shake it off. Oh my God, this thing gonna taste so good. So 1 egg will do the trick. 1 egg, a little bit of your Coca-Cola drink, soda, and a little bit of water. And that's it. That's it for the mixture. I'm gonna mix this last one around. Around town. Oh, sorry, I totally just shake that. Pushes over some. All right, so this is the last one. See, guys, quick, easy, and delicious. You don't know, everything what I make is delicioso. Ooh. All right, so this is the last one, and I'm done. And I still have a whole bunch of the sauce mix left over, so I can save that. I can save that for anything. I can just add it into my chicken, any meat that I'm cooking, any protein that I'm cooking. I could use that mix as a seasoning. So that's it, guys. So I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna wash my hand first, and I'm gonna show y'all how to fry this up. I'm gonna drop it in the oil for y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up because this thing is a lot of mess. So soon come back. All right, guys. So I got my oil ready on medium low. So I'm gonna add about 2 pieces of chicken in there at a time. There's a small pot. I think I'm gonna add this big one and a medium one. Ooh. Okay, that's good. So I'm gonna just cover this up and cook it down. Cook it on medium low for about 10 minutes on each side, because you want that chicken to cook all the way through. Okay, you don't want a raw meat. So 10 minutes on medium low, and then I'm gonna flip it over. Or if you guys notice your chicken's getting brown but it's not cooked on the inside, cut on your oven, put it on 350 and finish bake it in the oven. Okay, finish baking it in the oven. If the chicken, if the outside are burned, if the outside crisp up before the inside get cooked, then you can just put in the oven. Okay, you got me? Yes. All right, guys. So let me flip this over one more time. It's almost time for this to come out. It's about 20 minutes, almost. So what I did off camera was just poke this, just poke it all the way down to open up the chicken so it can fry through better and quicker, so everything cooked through good. So I'm gonna cover this up, let it fry up just a little bit more, and then I'm gonna take it out and then I'm gonna add 2 more, and then it's pretty much done. I'm gonna show y'all the ending result. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all the end result. So that's it basically. I'm gonna let these do them thing. I'm gonna show y'all when everything done fry up. So yeah, man, bye. All right, guys, so I have the last 3 right here. We're about done. I'm gonna flip this over. Ooh. Yummy in my tummy. Oh, that looks so good already. So I'm gonna let these 3 cook down another 5 more minutes or so. Alright, so I'm gonna let these cook down just a few more minutes, and then it will be finished. And here's the 2 that I already did. There they are, there they are. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So I'm just let these finish, and then it done, and then it done. Alright guys, I'll be right back. What am I doing? Ha! So come back. Alright guys, so this is the end result. Guys, what I did, I just put it in the oven for a few more minutes, for about 10 more minutes, to make sure it's completely cooked through. So if you guys like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share my videos, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Guys, I can't wait to dig into this. But by the time y'all see this, I'm already like savagely finished eating this thing already. So bye, catch y'all on the next one.